Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will learn about two more built-in function, that is percentage min and percentage max. So let's see how we can use this program built-in function. So here I'm writing the code in fully free format and declaring the control option as no debug IO and src stmt. Below to that, I have declared some variable which is var1, var2, var3, and all of these variable are of numeric type size 2. Okay, and another variable we have declared is a result, which is mainly for storing the result or output. Okay, now just after this we are assigning some values to these number. So here I'm assigning var1 as 30, var2 to 20, var3 to 50. So these are some numeric value that we are assigning to this. So you can also suppose we are getting these value from some other party application or some other program. So mainly we are having some numeric values in these three variables. Okay, right now we are just assigning directly to the program. Now we will see how we can utilize this percentage min and max function. So the syntax is quite simple. You have to just write percentage min, which denotes minimum, and in opening parenthesis you have to write first value and then colon, then second value, then colon, and then third value, or as per your requirement you can pass a few more values here. Okay, so what this function will do, it will check all the values and compare it, and after that it will return the minimum value from these values. Okay, so whatever the variable we are passing it here, it will find out the minimum or least value from the list of variables. Okay, so what it will do here, we are using this function on line number 30. So I have passed var1, var2, var3. Okay, so right now these values are stored in this variable. var1 as 30, var2 as 20, and var3 as 30, sorry, 50. So var1 is containing 30, var2 is 20, and var3 is having 50. So what it will do, it will find out the minimum value from these values. So what is the minimum value? It is 20. Okay, so it will return the 20, and after that we are just displaying it to the user. Similarly, we have another function, that is percentage max, which will return the maximum value from the set of variables. So here also we can specify multiple variable, and then this function will check and return the maximum value among the list. So here you can see that we are again passing var1, var2, and var3. So what it will do, it will check from these values and it will return the 50, because the 50 is the maximum value among these three. Okay, and we are just displaying it back to the user. And on line number 44, I'm setting star inlr request to star on for terminating the program. So let's compile and check whether we are getting the correct output or not. So yes, we are getting correct output. The first value is minimum value. So among 30, 20, and 50, we are getting 20. And if I hit enter again, then it is returning the maximum value. So the maximum value is also correct, because we are having three values, 20, 30, and uh, 50, and among that we have the maximum as 50. So this is how you can utilize this min and max function. It is mainly for finding out the minimum and maximum value among the set of variables. Okay, so wherever you find there is a need to find out or to calculate the minimum or maximum value among the variables that we are getting from some other program or some other third party tool, then in that case you can utilize this percentage min and percentage max built-in function. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Method.